everybody, I'm Nate from Tippmann Industrial, and today I'll show you how to properly install your flatbed on your Tippmann Boss sewing machine. Flatbeds are commonly used when you are dealing with a lot of material, which gives you a larger surface area to work on and prevent slipping. When installing your flatbed on your Tippmann Boss sewing machine, all you'll need is a 7/16 wrench, a 3/16 Allen wrench, and a 3/32 Allen wrench. The first step in mounting your flatbed is to attach your material guide. You will use your 3/32 Allen wrench to tighten down the material guide onto the flatbed plate. Once you have your material guide attached to your flatbed plate, go ahead and set that down and pick up your two brackets. You will notice on your two brackets that there's different bends on each side. The side with the least amount of bend you would like to put together. Grab the mounting bolt and bolt them together lightly. After mounting your brackets together, you want to grab the two remaining nuts that come with your flatbed assembly and bolt them to the bottom of the flatbed plate. After bolting them lightly to the bottom of the flatbed plate, you want to grab your Boss sewing machine, lift your presser foot, and slide the flatbed plate onto the needle plate. Once you have everything placed together, choose whether to angle your flatbed or keep it level. Grab your 7/16 wrench and your 3/16 Allen wrench and tighten everything down. Make sure it's nice and secure. And now your flatbed is installed and you are ready to go. Adjust your material guide to desired depth and start stitching. For all your sewing needs, please visit us on the web at tippmannindustrial.com or share your projects with us on Facebook, Instagram, or right here on YouTube. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.